One of our signature dishes at Grilled Fraiche would definitely have to be our Salmon Bowl. We get that salmon marinated up with that herb oil. We go ahead and drop it right on the grill. About 2.5 to 3 minutes on each side, and it's ready to go. Salmon, man. Salmon is one of those health-conscious items that I think people consciously think about when they're going to eat lunch. It's like, gotta get some grilled chicken. I had chicken yesterday. I want to have chicken later. You know what? Let me have some salmon. And I'm guessing that's why it's our biggest seller, because I really feel like each of our menu items is really its own experience.
Plantain coming up.
Roll's good, and then that's the fried banana.
This is a plantain.
I know. This is my wheelhouse right here.
That's what I just told her. This is the best truck we've ever had,
Tashina.
y'all.
This is the best truck we've ever had. It's the healthiest food. I love it. Thank you, beautiful.
You got my plate. Oh man, I'm so happy that y'all were able to do this.
Thank you for having us.
Oh my
Everybody's
God. I walked on set and everybody's like,
They love it.
oh, but
It's just really been a loving day because this really came from nowhere. But that just shows you that good energy always pulls together somehow, some way, even through social media.
most definitely. And this is what happens when you follow your dream, when you actualize your dream, when you follow your gifts and you do what God tells you to do.
And you don't
This
stop
is what
no
happens.
matter what.
Don't
Keep
stop,
going.
can't stop, keep going. Because it's not just for you, it's for somebody else.
Absolutely.
Never forget that. Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Mwah! Let me go eat! I gotta go eat!